Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Hotjar for UX insights that boost SEO, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Hotjar website. Once there, locate the sign up button usually found on the home page. Click on the sign up button to be directed to the registration form. You will need to enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the requirements shown. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email inbox for a verification email from Hotjar. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Hotjar website and log in with your email and password. After logging in, you'll be prompted to provide some basic information about your website. Enter your website URL in the designated field. Select the type of website you are running, whether it's a personal blog, e-commerce, or another type. Hotjar may ask how you plan to use their tools, so select the option that best fits your needs. Next, you'll have the option to decide on a payment plan. If you're a beginner, consider starting with their free plan to explore the features. Once you've made your selection, complete any additional forms as required. Now, navigate to your Hotjar dashboard to start setting up your projects. Click on Add a new site to input your website details. You'll receive a tracking code that must be installed on your website for Hotjar to function. Copy the tracking code provided. Go to your website's code editor or content management system. Paste the tracking code into the header section of your website. Save the changes and ensure the code is correctly implemented. Return to your Hotjar dashboard to confirm that the tracking code has been installed successfully. Now you can explore various UX insights tools Hotjar offers, like heat maps and session recordings. Start analyzing user behavior to identify areas for SEO improvement. Utilize the insights gained to optimize your website's user experience. Monitor the data regularly to make informed decisions that enhance both UX and SEO. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.